I'm here at the Zamboanga Beach Resort, and I'm taking what you see right now is I'm taking a fucking video here. Okay, rito. So let's go. Let's go to the beach. Damn beach. Yan. Oops. Yun. This look like a desert, man. Yan. Ito ang beach dito. Puro basura. So I'm walking down the aisle. It's like a ghost beach. No people. Look. Yun. Meron isa. Yeah. Oh, what's that? What's the fucking... Let's investigate. Yan. It's a fishnet. Panghuli ng shokoy. Yun, fishnet. Oh, what we have here? Oh, it's a fucking ship. This is a naval ship. Siguro iniwan to ng mga Amerikano. Yeah. Ganda ng barko niya. Okay, let's go there. Let's sukatin natin kung gaano kalalim tong dagat. Oh fucking shit, it's very deep. Ito lang tayo. Okay. Yun. Okay. Agad na tayo. Oh, where's my sleepers? There's my sleepers. As you can see, I am in the... This is the fucking resort. Okay? We used to swim on. Okay. Let's go to our cottage. Sa cottage namin maganda yon. May aircon. Have some aircon. We got 4 bedrooms and 1 bathtub, toilet and bathtub, shower. Tsaka yon, toilet and bowl. Oh, what's that? Shokai. It's Yokoi. What? Okay, I'm coming. Oh, that is Michelle, the Dracula. Okay. Okay. Sige, malalapit ako dun. Ayun. Galing yun ng ano eh. Galing siya ng bundok. Dun. Bumaba lang. Galing ng tribo. Ayun. Then, eto na yung cottage namin. Yan. May kasamang poso. It's beautiful, eh? Ito yung CR namin, oh. Ay, mali. Hindi pala yan. Okay. Saan ba ako? Oh. Hindi na makawala. Sarado na ang gate. Yan ang cottage. Can you see it? Okay, mamaya na lang. I'm going to eat now. Later.